Here we are at the Vet Show 2024, Headshot Station, sponsored by the Farmer's Dog, keyboard, Bluetooth to the iPad Pro, first, last name, email, walk in, mirror. I'll have this light at low intensity. Everybody needs the oil absorbing sheets, sanitizer, frizzy hair, static guard, trash can, starting from the back, NANLITE PavoSlim 120C, kicker light, controlled by the NANLITE app, PavoSlim 120C, hair light, Manfrotto collapsible flag attached to the pipe and drape. Pipe and drape has very heavy weights on it. Weights are on each one. I doubled up the weight in the back, which we'll look at now. So if you want to do this, you have these very heavy weights. So there's two of them. I have them crisscrossed, so it provides plenty of stabilization for the pipe and drape in the back. I also requested these crossbars. So very heavy weights holding the pipe and drape. Walk in, follow the arrows. You have 3 foot positions. 1, 2, 3. I can have people stand center on 1, and they say, keep your body centered on the T. A place to put their pocketbooks and etc. The sponsor has their handkerchief on it. After the headshot is completed, they walk out this way, arrows, and exiting the headshot station at the Javits. Talking about the stand, I do need to get a floor mat or something to cover up all these wires. This is the Studio Titan, made in South Korea, distributed by Studio Titan America out of Toronto. Using the NANLITE PavoSlim 240 as the main light, the PavoSlim 120 as the fill light. I can adjust the camera and adjust the main light, and if somebody's tall, I can quickly go up to 6 foot whatever, really tall. This is much quicker than a traditional tripod. And then when I get somebody a little shorter, back down. Need to see who's next. I signed up. As soon as I take a photo of myself, I like to use wireless remote. This is the Atomos Ninja Ultra. I am using the Cambo PCH head. On the NANLITE app, I can control each light. I'm going to make the main light, which is the PavoSlim, 40% on the main light. Fill light, I'm going to make 30%. $5,400 Kelvin. The kicker light, I'm going to make 20%. Keep it warm at 4,300. Kicker right, 20%. Keep it warm. Hair light, 30%. bit warmer, make it 3700. Gray card. Eye track focusing. Send my shoulders. Send my shoulders. Wireless controlled. Gray card.